Okay, so let's see if we can help you get into the textbook here. I'm on my Drive, on Google Drive, signed into my school account. Over to the waffle, click on the waffle. Scrolling down, I don't see the book. I have to hit more. I go all the way down, and there's McGraw-Hill. Any of the other textbooks that you have should be on here too, from any of the other classes. So I click on that. And then you probably won't have to re-sign in. I do because I'm on my home computer. Okay, but that brought up the book. Then I just click, and now I'm in the book. If I want the book itself, I can go here, and that will bring up an electronic version of the book. Or if I just want to see resources for a particular chapter that I'm in, of the lesson, come here, say I'm in chapter 2, lesson 2-2. And I click on that, all the resources that are available, that's the glossary or vocabulary, that's an instructional video, and here's the personal tutorials. And then there's other tools that are available. So I can click on any of those. If I need to go to the textbook, I click this. And there's the textbook. To get to a page that I need, I'm going to come down to the bottom here, and I just put in the page number I want. Click on that. Now what I want you to notice is that on this page there's instructions, and I've already highlighted some of the things on here. So there's instructions on there. All those resources that we looked at before are still available. So I can click here and get the vocabulary. I can click here, and there's the personal tutorials. Click on those. And there's Mrs. Hyman to give me a tutorial. Okay, if I want to go back, I go back to the tab, go along here. There's also the highlighting tool right over here. I can erase what I had. The marking tool, I can erase that, put it back. There. If I want to see it close up, I just hit the magnifying glass. Or if I just want to make it bigger or smaller, I hit the plus and the minus. If I want 2 pages, I can see both pages at the same time. Okay, I hope that helps. I don't want to make the video too long, so I hope that'll help you.